Previously, we explored how virtual machines can auto-scale to respond to changing loads. But how do your customers get your application when it might be provided by 4 VMs one moment and by 40 VMs at another? That's done through cloud load balancing. The job of a load balancer is to distribute user traffic across multiple instances of an application. By spreading the load balancing reduces the risk that applications experience performance issues. Cloud load balancing is a fully distributed, software-defined managed service for all your traffic. And because the load balancers don't run in VMs that you have to manage, you don't have to worry about scaling or managing them. You can put cloud load balancing in front of all of your traffic, HTTP or HTTPS, other TCP and SSL traffic, and UDP traffic too. Cloud load balancing provides cross-region load balancing, including automatic multi-region failover, which gently moves traffic in fractions if backends become unhealthy. Cloud load balancing reacts quickly to changes in users, traffic, network, backend health, and other related conditions. And what if you anticipate a huge spike in demand? Say your online game is already a hit. Do you need to file a support ticket to warn Google of the incoming load? No. No so-called pre-warming is required. Google Cloud offers a range of load balancing solutions that can be classified based on the OSI model layer they operate at and their specific functionalities. Application load balancers operate at the application layer and are designed to handle HTTP and HTTPS traffic, making them ideal for web applications and services that require advanced features like content-based routing and SSL TLS termination. Application load balancers operate as reverse proxies, distributing incoming traffic across multiple backend instances based on rules you define. They are highly flexible and can be configured for both internet-facing, external, and internal applications. Network load balancers operate at the transport layer and efficiently handle TCP, UDP, and other IP protocols. They can be further classified into two types. Proxy network load balancers also function as reverse proxies, terminating client connections and establishing new ones to backend services. They offer advanced traffic management capabilities and support backends located both on-premises and in various cloud environments. Unlike proxy network load balancers, pass-through network load balancers do not modify or terminate connections. Instead, they directly forward traffic to the backend while preserving the original source IP address. This type is well suited for applications that require direct server return or need to handle a wider range of IP protocols. One of the most famous free Google services is 8888, which provides a public domain name service to the world. DNS is what translates Internet's host names to addresses, and as you might imagine, Google has a highly developed DNS infrastructure. It makes 8888 available so that everyone can take advantage of it. But what about the Internet's host names and addresses of applications built in Google Cloud? Google Cloud offers Cloud DNS to help the world find them. It's a managed DNS service that runs on the same infrastructure as Google. It has low latency and high availability, and it's a cost-effective way to make your applications and services available to your users. The DNS information you publish is served from redundant locations around the world. Cloud DNS is also programmable. You can publish and manage millions of DNS zones and records using the Cloud Console, the command line interface, or the API. Google also has a global system of edge caches. Edge caching refers to the use of caching servers to store content closer to end users. You can use this system to accelerate content delivery in your application by using Cloud CDN, Content Delivery Network. This means your customers will experience lower network latency, the origins of your content will experience reduced load, and you can even save money. After an application load balancer is set up, Cloud CDN can be enabled with a single checkbox. There are many other CDNs available out there, of course. If you're already using one, chances are it's part of Google Cloud CDN Interconnect Partner Program, and you can continue to use it.